helped them at all. Wouldn't have helped them at all. They need water. So I deep water right here. So there's my little one potato plant that made it through the freeze. So
direct seed, everything?
This year's a combination. Last year, when you first start no-till, I highly advise you transplant everything. Everything. Grow your plants out or purchase them from somebody. Drill you a hole, because in this, we used a drill. I mean, I was like, that. The stuff they gave me, I'll show y'all when we get over here, the tool they gave me bent in the first week of trying to get in this clay. Like the tool, just my husband put his 220 pounds on it, and the tool, American, US made steel, like this. I mean, it just couldn't make it through the soil. You couldn't even get a shovel. So he bought me a drill bit that goes on the end, and I just went whoop whoop, made a hole, filled it full of compost, worm castings, rabbit manure, put my transplant in, composted around it, pulled the heavy mulch back to it. And that's how I did this entire quarter acre last year. This year, the soil is so amended, I was able to actually get some seeds, the okra seeds directly in the soil. The corn, the black roll sunflower seeds directly in. The red beans, the bush beans directly in. Now I did transplant things like the melon, the tomatoes, that kind of stuff. I transplanted them in because I wanted them bigger and was ready to go. So it's a mixture this year, which is, like I said, for me, it's a learning experience because now I've got to heavy mulch in between the rows. I can't just roll my mulch out like I did last year and then make a hole, put a plant in.